After the sampling process, we have the quantization. That is the process of digitizing the amplitude value, which means that the magnitude of the sampled image that is expressed as the digital value in the image processing. The number of quantization levels should be high enough for the human perception of the fine details in an image. The more digital IP devices may use the quantization into the k equal interval. In most of the devices use the quantization for the quality to get the best quality of the images. We can say that it is the opposite of the sampling because it is done on the y-axis. So quantizing an image, dividing a signal into the number of partitions. On the x-axis of the signal we have the coordinate, and the y-axis we have some amplitude value. So digitizing the amplitude value is known as the quantization. So on this way, if we have the analog signal like this on the x-axis, so on the y-axis, first of all we sampling is to be done, then creating or assigning some value to that sampled parts is known as the quantization. So this is one of the example. Here we get a picture by some device or the camera. In the first phase we capture some image, in the second that image in the analog form, and the third image which the sampling is to be done by creating the number of samples with all the variation. We reduce the noise by creating some samples, and after the sampling the quantization is to be done by giving the exact value, the exact values or the exact area which covered by that picture. So this is the final digitized image that is resulted from the sampling and the quantization. So this is one of the example of the sampling and the quantization. Here one of the picture A is the fine picture which we get by sampling all the sampling and resampled again and again that picture and resampled each pixel, so we get the desired output.